Meaning of flatware.
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 Flatware. Flatware refers to the utensils used for eating food, such as forks, knives, and spoons. It is often made of metal, and can be either silver or stainless steel. Flatware can come in a variety of patterns and designs, and is an important part of any table setting. It is commonly used in both formal and casual dining situations, and is a staple of home kitchens around the world. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or simply enjoying a family meal, flatware is an essential tool for enjoying your food.